Welcome back to my channel. I literally just got done with this and I am feeling it, y'all. I enjoy doing it. Like it took me so long, but I went for like a large wing and that's what I was going for. I wanted the white to pop out. I'm feeling it. If y'all feeling it and y'all want to see how I got this look, then keep watching, because y'all, I'm digging this one. Keep watching. What's up, gems? We're about to get straight into this. I'm about to make this super fast and super cute. So I'm just taking this basic eyebrow pencil that I got from my local beauty supply store. It's a Ruby Kisses eyebrow pencil in the color light brown. Like usual, all my details will be below, so I'll just kind of go with the flow throughout the video. And then if you need like super details about all the stuff that I have, then it'll just be listed in the details below. But yeah, this eyebrow pencil, I'm just taking it and I'm filling in my eyebrows. But look, y'all, let me tell y'all about these voiceovers. I chose to do these voiceovers because I have so much going on in my background. Like, I just want to make sure y'all can hear me clearly. I have a 2-year-old and it's just always something going on in the background. So I'm taking 2 different shades of Pro Concealer to conceal my eyebrows, and I'm just using a flat concealer brush. The first shade I'm using on top to clean up my eyebrows is a darker shade, but it's still lighter than my skin tone. And then the second shade is like 2 shades lighter. I'm cleaning up underneath my brow, and I'm also using it to prime my lids for my concealer. So I'm just gonna clean up the bottom of my eyebrow with a lighter shade and then also bring it down into my eyelid. So for my lids, I'm basically just setting the base of my wing and where I want my eyeshadow to lay. I'm just using a small tip brush that I have in my Morphe eye brush kit, and I'm just creating my wing with the lightest color of concealer that I have, using that to prime my lids basically again, and then using it as a base for my shadow. Now I'm just taking like a makeup wipe and I'm just kind of cleaning up that wing, the bottom, you know, just making it a more sharp look. But I'm just going to go in with my Glam Lite paint palette. This palette is so cute, y'all. Look at it. And I'm just going in on the colors and I'm kind of just following like the rainbow effect look. So yeah, I did go in with my first eye because I didn't want to, you know, have this video extra extended when I didn't need the both eyes to be shown. But yeah, I told y'all we about to keep this simple, cute, and fast. I just started with the basic colors that was on the palette, and then I went back over on top of the lid with the same colors but like the shimmery ones, and I just kind of topped off the colors with that shimmery look. I am just taking this white felt tip eyeliner and I'm just tracing the outside of my wing. I'm covering up all the little spots that didn't get fit with eyeshadow, but it's fine because the eyeliner is here to save the day, and I'm just literally just covering up. I'm going back and forth to make sure this white pops, and I am just cleaning it up as I go. And yeah, just so you're just tracing the wing. It is lash time, y'all, and y'all already know I'm using yours truly, the GlitzedLashes by April in Style Icy with my favorite duo strip lash glue. And I am just popping these bad boys on. So yeah, I am just priming my face right now, and just to put this foundation on, I finally found a foundation for my face, one that matches my face color, and I'm so excited. I finally went on juviasplace.com and look, y'all, me and the foundation have been having it out because I can never find one to match my face. But I finally did, and I am super, super, super excited because it is the perfect color, y'all. Like, I've never found a perfect color for my skin tone, and this one is it. So I'm just putting it on, applying it, and then I'm blending it out with this Sephora foundation brush, y'all. Yes, but do y'all see this color though? It is, yeah, I'm loving it. It is popping through. I guess these baby hairs trying to pop through too. Look, you know they never act right when you get to put your foundation on. But yeah, this one is it. I kept looking in the mirror like, yes, 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 yes. But no, I'm about to go in and just conceal my face. I'm just using just a regular face concealer brush and a circular motion just to blend it out. And yeah. So I'm just taking the deepest shade of my contour stick and I am contouring up my face. I am getting all the sharp angles, making it look real nice. And I'm just gonna blend it out with this all over blending brush. Yep, it's the perfect little angle brush, so I use it for my nose and just for all my contouring. So after blending that all in, I am just taking a beauty blender with this baking set powder from Morphe, and I'm just, baking my face, letting it set on there. While I do that, I'm just putting some cute little rosy cheeks on with some blush with the blush brush, and then I just go back with just a face powder brush, and I'm just, dusting that bacon off and, blending that in. So for my lower lash line, like deep in the waterline, I am using this white Ruby Kisses pencil, and I am just taking that in my line, and I am just coloring that in with the white. Yeah, my eyes definitely get to watering, so I have to finish that off of camera. But I am taking this small brush and I am applying some pink eyeshadow just on my lower lash line. I'm just gonna take these regular little lashes that I got from a beauty supply store, cut them up just to place as lower lashes. Yep. I'm just going in with this Balm Urban Decay highlighter, and I am glossing this face up, honey, y'all. I'm just glazing. So this is my final look. I am super pleased with how it turned out. It's giving me like a mystical type vibe with this blue and this purple. I'm feeling it. I was really just kind of going with the flow with the colors because I just got this palette and I was excited to use it, so I just wanted to use it, and the colors just kind of came to me. And I mean, it didn't come to me, they was on the palette, but the order of how I use the colors kind of just came to me. And look, I am very pleased with how it turned out, honey. So if you like how this looks, comment, like, subscribe, share, all of that. I am very pleased. If y'all like it, let me know.